Hi, for all of you who don't know me, I'm Malu. I'm the German exchange student of the Deals. And for Stine, we are going to leave America tomorrow. And, oh gosh.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Stop it.
Yeah, so I just wanted to thank all of you for making this year so great and supporting us. Oh my gosh, I didn't want to cry. Yeah, so, well, okay, there we go. So I wanted to thank you all for supporting us this year, making us feel so special in this wonderful community. Caitlin, stop crying. Okay, so, wow. Yeah, I'm really going to miss worshiping with all of you on Sundays. And today for Father's Day, I'd also like to appreciate my host family for giving us a loving home this year. And for making all these, oh my gosh. And for making all these great memories with us. Yeah, and a special thank you goes to my host dad, Pastor Aaron, for showing us his and God's love in every way possible. Thank you for everything, and I'm going to miss you so much. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so this song is for all the loving fathers around us, and yeah.
Giving you a little break.
Yeah.
Tell a funny story real quick.
should I gain from his reward? I cannot give an answer, but this I know with all my heart: his wounds have paid my ransom. Why should I gain from his reward? I cannot give an answer, but this I know